Hello again, and I've just finished watching Critters 3, and I can easily say that yes, this is the weakest one of the series of films so far. I still, however, enjoyed it. As you know, I'm doing a bit of a marathon at the moment. Critters 1 I really liked, Critters 2 was good, and now Critters 3. And you know what? It's not as bad as I remember it being, or as bad as I've heard, should I say. I used to like this one as a kid, and to see this again now, it's a real it's like memory lane in some ways. So the film Critters 3, it has a very young Leonardo DiCaprio in it, which is infamous, and his scenes aren't too great, but he's only in it for a short time, and he's a good actor though. I think Leonardo DiCaprio is a great actor, but obviously yet to start somewhere. So Critters 3, yeah, it's following the story a little bit. It's different characters apart from one, which is Charlie, and it all pretty much takes place in a block of flats, and it's the critters being critters and people trying to run away from the critters. And that's about it, really. I mean, it's getting to the point where now it's losing its sort of story-driven plot, and it's just becoming stereotypical, typical sort of sequel zone for horror movie comedies. So it's not bad though. There are some good laughs in there. I certainly did laugh at a few moments in this one, so there is enjoyment to be had. The suspense isn't as strong as it was in the first one. The acting overall is up and down. The scripting is pretty weak, and the characterizations mostly are pretty meh. But it is a B movie, and it's a B movie plus. It's a B, it's a C movie. So it's not up to par with part one. Part one is absolutely brilliant in comparison to this. Part two was an entertaining sequel that wasn't as good, but was entertaining and worth a watch. This one, I enjoyed it for what it was. It wasn't as good, but it wasn't as bad as other people have said. I'm going to say that now. So part one got 8.5. Part two got 8 out of 10. And now part 3 gets a 7.5. It's slowly dipping as the films go on. So I'm going to watch the fourth one now, and then I will end my reviews of the Critters then, because that's when it finishes. So anyway, thanks for watching this review. I'll see you in the next one.